Hi, welcome to Gwyn's Keyboardworks. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to map your NerDy keyboard with NerDy graphic user interface software. When you first run the NerDy GUI, this window will show up. To map the key codes to your key on your key, just drag and drop the key code. To make it easier, if you have space on your screen, drag and expand your software window. For example, first, I think I have to give you explanation on this part. There are some groups for key codes: alphabet, numbers, modifiers, symbols, function keys, etc., and editing keys, keypads. There are 17 keys used for a keypad. Special includes mouse left click, right click, middle click, wheel up, wheel down, macro trigger, FN1, FN2, side LED control, key LED, this means backlight LED control, Winky lock. If you activate this function, left and right wing keys and menu keys on your keyboard will not work when you press the keys. USB NKRO means NerDy controller allows you to input as many keys as possible at the same time. I mean, if you press down 10 keys on your keyboard or more keys on your keyboard, all the key codes will be sent to your operating system simultaneously at the same time. In multimedia, there are many multimedia function keys, and some of the multimedia keys will not work on your operating system. For example, eject key will not work on Windows-based computers, but I made a confirmation that this eject button, eject key codes normally works in Linux operating system. So if you have a problem that some of these multimedia key don't work, just think that or those keys are not available on your operating system. Okay. Next, let me explain about layers. NerDy keyboard has 3 layers: normal layer, FN1 layer, and FN2 layer. Okay. In your keyboard screen, it has 2 colors. One just gray, and others are in blue. Gray means its normal layer, and FN1 layer and FN2 layer are all have the same key code. But if at least one of the 3 layers has a different key code, the key switch on your screen will be shown as blue. See this switch. I will change it. Right. it has ESC code on its normal layer and FN1 layer, but in its FN2 layer it functions as power off. Okay. To map these key codes to your keyboard is very simple. Just drag and drop. See it? Yeah, I clicked on A and dragged it on Q and drop it. Then the Q has changed into A, but the color is blue. What do you think that means? Yeah, right. Just A key code is mapped on its normal layer. Let's check it. FN1 is still Q and FN2 is also Q, right? If you want to change the normal layer, just drag Q and drop its normal layer. Okay, it's now it turned into gray, so the 3 layers of Q has the same key codes. And if you want to change the 3 layers at the same time, choose this checkbox. Click on this checkbox, all layers. So after you check here, then drag a key code and drop on any key. You see, it turned into gray. That means its 3 layers have all the same A code. Let's check it. You see it? They're all A. In this case, if you don't click on save, this key codes will not be stored in your keyboard. So if you think you made any mistake, you can undo it just clicking refresh. Okay, and if you want to delete a key code, you can use your right click on your mouse. If you make a right click on Q, it turned into blue. Why? Yes, on its normal layer there is no key code mapped, but on its FN1 and FN2 has Q. Let us think about how we can delete the 3 layers of key code at the same time. Yeah, right. Click here and make a right click here. Okay, you see it turned into gray. That means all the 3 layers are now blank. Right. And then where is Q? Okay. And then let me explain about import and export functions. Export means to store this key map as a file into on your local hard disk drive or on your local solid state drive. Okay, as you see, right? I will make it as a sample. Okay, then I will delete some of the key codes. Now you save. And my keyboard yeah, right. Okay, and if you import sample, okay, it is restored. then you can click on save to save the key codes into your keyboard. Now it is restored. These steps, this explanation is all about how you map key codes onto your NerD keyboard. It's very easy. Okay, next time I will show you how to configure your LEDs on your NerD keyboard. Okay, see you by then.